Hello, this is a quick video of the screen that you'll be seeing when you click on your course over here. Now, if I log into Koala Connection and I go into Academics, you'll see your courses. Let's go ahead and do that real quick. Let's X out of this. Okay, so we go up to Bookmarks, and Teaching would be where I find Koala Connection. The screen comes up, and of course my name's already up here, Alan H. Knight. You sign in, click on Academics, and you'll see my courses down here, and select from your courses Music MUS 206 section 35, and this is what you'll see, the course layout. I think the most important thing that you can do is get to know the left hand menu, or these subcategories. Okay, so the main page has about this course and my little clever blurb here. This is more detailed here. You can read that. There's the calendar. Over here, you're going to want to register for the textbook, the e-text. You can click on that. Getting the best grade is a document, so well, actually, it's in the announcement section, so it just goes right here. The best way to boost your writing grade is to start using musical terms, and you can read through that. This is going to take a while. This will take, really, you'll be dealing with these phrases, general terms, pitch and melody, rhythm, for the whole semester. You'll be learning them and you'll be using them, and that's the way to get the best grade, to do well in this class, is to use those terms. So you can look at that announcement, go back over here. There's the syllabus. A must read for this class is about pointers for online classes. Some of you have already mentioned that you haven't taken an online class yet, or even if you have, this would be good to read. You can click on that and download it. And then, of course, the course syllabus. Click on that and download that. The course syllabus is very, very important to coordinate with the Casey. It has all the information you need. Go ahead and do that. There are no bookmarks on this page, I don't think. Oh, the Connect edition website. So you can click on that. Now you've got to sign in to your Connect. The reason why you'll need to go to Connect is to read the book. This is an e-text, and we don't need to go into that just yet, but you'll need to put in an access code which you purchase at the bookstore, or of course here you can get started. You can register here at the Connect website. So that's really good for that. The next menu selection is coursework, and that, when you click on that, you can see, well, this is my page. Let's go here to student view. There you'll see the main page again. All right, so that's what you see. As far as coursework, I don't think, I'll have to look into seeing if I need to make that available to you. Grading rubric is strictly for discussion purposes. That should be up and available to you. You need to be aware that when you post on the discussion board, you need to have 3 posts. One of them is an initial posting, and follow-up post 1, follow-up post 2. And you can read through here and find out more about online discussion forum. Okay, chapter 1 through 13. The course follows the book pretty exact. Okay, so chapter 1, the announcement is welcome to the world of music. And there's important information here. Here's my email address. That's the one I want you to use. The assignments and the due dates are always going to be over here on the right side. That'll be under this heading here. And here's what you need to do first. The chapter quiz and the activities. You'll find that at the Connect website. And you'll want to, actually, this needs to be updated. You don't need to submit anything to me. I'll have to fix that. As a matter of fact, I'll show you how I do that. I'm glad I saw that. Go over here to assignments. We're going to connect to take all of the quizzes, and they grade them there. I don't need to get them. So let's fix that here by editing it. So this is good for you to see me do this, because now you'll understand that okay, so they'll be due on the last day of the chapter, and that's what I would do. Now let's go back to student view. And so everything you need for the week of January 12th, which is today, through the 22nd, will be on this page. Now once we get to the 22nd, and it's always a good idea to look ahead, you can click on chapter 2. The readings, this will tell you where to go. I haven't looked through too much of this. This is from when we had a hard copy of the text. So obviously we're not having a hard copy. You need to get the e-text. And here's the assignment. Here's the discussion assignment. Here's the reading and listening assignment. This would be at the website. This is the due date. The exam is going to be on the 28th, and so it says look at announcements above. And so this will give you the necessary information you need to take the exam. If you have any questions, be sure and email me at the aknight@twc.com. We'll be listening to quite a few Howard Goodall films, watching and listening to him. He's really good, but don't necessarily do that in substitution for looking at these lectures too, because there's pertinent information on all of these embedded lectures. You can download the listening guide right here, or you can just go to the website. So here are the listening selections. Here it's a list. This is reading material for you to read, and here is the questionnaire. Questionnaire, you'll download that, and that has to do with Howard Goodall melody. In chapter 1, you had your first one. Let's go back to chapter 1. This is what will be due on Friday. So it's good that we look at this right now. Under assignments down here, Goodall, rhythm. Take a look at the handout, see below, for the Howard Goodall film on rhythm. Watch the film while taking some notes and answer the questions. Try to get specific where you can and avoid one-word answers. What do you find informative or interesting? Submit the questionnaire to aknight@twc.com, and this is due this Friday. And I'm giving you a heads up here about the 22nd when the melody questionnaire will need to be due. So you go down here and you'll see the Howard Goodall questionnaire. So you click on that and you'll be able to download that through here. Let's go ahead and do that real quick. Here's the questionnaire. And you're able to type right in it since it is a Word document. I would prefer everything to be Word document. So you can type it in, save it, and ship it, email, attach it to an email and send it to me. Okay, so that's your first assignment, along with the discussion forum. Now that's mentioned up here, right here, discussion on labels. Please read music labels in the text, chapter 1. I'm not sure what page that's on, but it's in the first chapter. Labels, what is it? And here are 4 examples. You can click on these and say, for instance, blessed. It'll bring you to YouTube. You'll have to watch a commercial. And it'll take you to a music example. All right, once you're done with that, go over to the discussion forum right here. Click on discussion forum, and it'll bring you to the discussion forum. Now, this is a student view. You can click on that again. And it'll give you the instructions again. You would click on add a post, and I want you to do this pretty soon so that people can read your post. If they don't have time to read the post, okay, so this is not available right now, but that's where you would click, and then of course you'd submit down here your original post. Now do that to my post, and then when you get into the discussion forum, you'll be able to see other students' posts, read them, and respond to 2 of them. Again, look over here in grading rubrics. The grading rubric will tell you how to get the most points. Obviously, you get no points with no post available for the first initial posting. You'll get 25. Post reflects superficial thought and preparation, doesn't address all aspects of the task or the topic. To get 30 points, post addresses many aspects of the task or topic but lacks full development of concepts. And of course, to get the exemplary 35 points, post fully addresses and develops all aspects of the task or topic. And when you go down to the follow-ups, it applies the same ideas about developing the task or the topic, except to another student's post. It extends meaningful discussion by building on previous posts. Okay, so it's really just spend some time, make an effort to do your best in all of these questionnaires, discussion boards, and that's basically what most of this is going to be. Now, as I said, exam 2 is going to be after chapter 2. After chapter 2, on the 28th, we'll have an exam. In order to get to that exam, I'll have to put up coursework, so I'll have another title in here. As a matter of fact, let me go back to regular view. This video is going to end in a moment. I think actually this is enough. If you have any questions about getting into this and navigating through it, just contact me and I'll be happy to talk with you. The syllabus, there is a phone number. You can call me. It's my cell number. Try and avoid having to do that too much, obviously, and please do not give it out. Okay, well, thank you. That's it for now.